In today's video, I'm going to tell you the top side hustles for teenagers in 2026 and how everyone can make some money as a teenager. Some activities are out there and some of them are just in front of your phone or being on a computer. Well, I'm not going to make any delays and we're going to get to the first method, which is going to be the TikTok shop. This new TikTok program is pretty popular. I'm talking about learning about affiliate marketing. In TikTok shop, you basically pick a product, you promote it, sometimes you get the product in hand, or sometimes the brand actually gives you the products to review. Once you review the product, you put out the videos, you get a commission out of it. Basically, you're posting about the product like 2 to 3 times every single day. I remember when I was doing TikTok shop back in 2021, I was actually sharing some digital product from where I was actually earning a commission. If you want to just sit at home and get some earning for yourself and make maybe $5,000 to $10,000 every single month, you can definitely try out TikTok shop. The best part about the TikTok shop is that you don't have to learn something new. And you can watch others' videos and get a sense how to make the video yourself and replicate it. If you make a total of 100 or 150 videos, I'm pretty sure one of them is gonna go viral, which is going to be driving the sales, giving you the earning for that specific month. It's a great side hustle as a teenager. And some people even do it full time, making $10,000 to $30,000 every single month. Now we're going to head over to the second step, which is building websites for local businesses. I mean, the name says it all. Well, if you're a technical person and if you know how to make websites which can connect like your local businesses or like your local stores that you see around you, you can basically cold call them through Google Maps or else take a stroll along your neighborhood and then reach out to these businesses and talk to them in person, or maybe call them over a phone and ask them if they want to increase their businesses online. You can basically make websites within a few seconds using Google, and there are so many website makers out there where you can build them a website so that customers can connect with them. And the best part about doing this is that you can tell them that you can even update the website every single month. And with that, you get basically regular income every single month for yourself. You can try out Wix. You can try out Hostinger, from where you can actually manage multiple websites. And by doing that, you have passive income every single month for working your way through making websites for local businesses around you or somewhere in your city. Now, this skill will actually make you $5,000 to $10,000 per month guaranteed, depending upon how you're able to go and reach out to these businesses. But remember, this skill is going to teach you technical things and also how to deal with rejections, because there will be many shops that you go to which will actually outright reject you. And there will be different shops from where you can learn the skills of actually selling to customers. Now, the third side hustle that you can always try is reselling, which basically means you buy a product at a low price and you sell them at a higher price. We are talking about like sneakers. We're talking about clothes. We're talking about old furniture. We are even talking about Pokemon cards. So basically, you make up an account on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, and you can actually get shoes which are probably a bit worn out. You can try to restore them and sell it at a higher price. You can do the same thing with clothes. You can go to thrift stores and look for some good clothes and put them up in Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. Third one being furniture. If you are good with furniture, if you see a good furniture out there in Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, and if someone's moving around, you can definitely buy it from them at a very cheaper cost, restore it, put some polish on it, make it look like new, and sell it for double the rate. Pokemon cards. I mean, trading Pokemon cards, it's pretty cool. So what this skill is going to teach you is you're going to learn everything about packing. You're going to learn about shipping to customers. You're also going to be interacting with customers. That's like 3 things. And if you're like sending things abroad, like away from your country, you also learn about import and export. Before I jump to the next topic, let me give you an example about myself, because I'm good with computers. What I would do is that I would take parts from different websites or from eBay and would compile them together and make it into a computer by buying a computer case, and I would actually sell it on Facebook Marketplace or on Craigslist, and actually did well for the summer. Now, jumping over to our next topic, which is going to be yard work. I mean, this is basically old school, where you just trade your time for money, and you can basically get from like $20 to $40 an hour as an income. So basically you go around your neighborhood, do some printouts of yourself with your phone number and your email, and you hand them out to people if they need some help with their yard, and you can make a pretty decent income every single month. Because I mean, like this is going to be a pretty regular income for you, going around every single month taking care of everyone's yard. The fifth skill that I want to share with you guys is drop shipping. I mean, I feel everyone has to try drop shipping at least once in their lives. Let me give you my example. I tried drop shipping not once, not twice. I tried it 12 times. And out of those 12 times, I only succeeded 5 times, right? Here's the niche that I tried on. I tried out hair extensions. Hair extensions are something that can be purchased by any age group. So that was one of the hustles that I did during my summer when I was back in 10th grade, and it actually did pretty well, and I was in profit putting out ads on like Facebook, on Instagram, and like running reels and stuff. I even hired someone to try out the hair extensions and make videos for me, and I would just go ahead and use them as ads. I mean, this is literally a bit on the harder side, but over here, you learn about how to run a store, doing SKUs, you learn about marketing, you learn about how to make ads, and also content creation, because that's going to be super important going into the future. The next side hustle that I want to share with you guys is about photography. If you have a good phone, if you don't even have a great camera, you can always try out photography. You can make money by doing wedding photography. You can do like events where you just go out, like when people are having a picnic, ask them if they want like a few pictures, and you can sell them right then and there. You can even try out like graduations. You can try like birthday parties. Even you can take like stock photography of like sunsets or pictures of a specific breed of dog or cats, and you can put them on different websites where you can actually sell the photos as stock photos for yourself. So these stock photos can actually be somewhat like a passive income by just taking a few pictures. There are tons of websites out there that actually pay you by giving you a commission when every single time someone uses that picture. You can basically have your portfolio on a free website or make an Instagram page to show your portfolio. You can basically make somewhere from like $50 to $300 per hour, depending upon what kind of event it is. The seventh one that I want to talk about, which is pretty popular in 2026, is courses. If you're good at something, don't do it for free. Make a PDF. Like if you're not good with computers, what you can do is like you can take pictures. There are so many softwares available that can like change it into a PDF. You can sell it on Amazon. You can make an Instagram page for yourself, a Facebook page, where you can basically go ahead and share the PDF of something that you're good at. Maybe if you're good at gardening, you can make a PDF about like what you can do about gardening. If you're good at stitching things, you can sell it as a master class. You have a template, you can sell it again and again. All you got to do is just record the course or do the course one time, and you got to make sure that it stands out, it's good, and it provides value. You can have it as templates and you can sell it on different platforms that will guarantee you passive income for just working once. You can sell through Instagram just by making ads, sharing what you have done with all your new followers. So this is basically one-time work, and it's all about marketing. You got to put your head into content creation, putting your content out there so that your PDF or your video or your master class gets sold and is being watched by several people. The next point that I want to talk about is selling art on Etsy. Basically, you can make like arts. I mean, like right now you can use AI, tell them what you want to make. You can put it on a shirt, you can put it on a cap, and you can sell it on Etsy. I mean, they take their own charges of delivering, of printing, and you can have it as a print on demand. You don't have to worry about a big investment from the start where you have to do like 100 shirts or 100 caps. You can have a print on demand service where when someone likes a product that you have made, you can make money out of it by really not doing anything at all, by just putting a few prompts on AI and then uploading them on the website and then putting it over like shirts, caps, I mean any merchandise that fits your persona. The ninth one that I'm going to talk about, which has been the personal favorite in the last 10 years, is Fiverr. There are so many websites out there that actually pay freelancers, if you're good at website development, if you're good at making logos, if you're good at coding, I mean, you can offer these services of whatever you're good at on this website where people pay you a fee and you deliver the services. Basically, there's no end to it. You can make from $5 an hour to $500 an hour, depending upon the skill that you have. And on this website, you can find as many skills out there, and people actually looking for freelancers to work on their projects. And finally, my personal favorite is having a YouTube channel. I mean, I started my YouTube channel when I was 15, and I've been doing it since the last decade. I have got so many play buttons with me that I don't even have a much bigger wall to showcase them all. So having a YouTube channel, it helps you in making scripts, it helps in making thumbnails, it helps in learning how to edit videos, it helps you on how to do marketing, and then basically you make a community out of it, and in the long run, the community supports you for what you're doing by providing a certain service that benefits all your viewers. It can be a tutorial, it can be a skill that you want to share with everyone that provides value to all your viewers. So basically, these side hustles will guarantee you a permanent income and will probably turn you into serious entrepreneurs. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe, and check out this video appearing on the screen right now.